But I do want to touch on the data because, we have this, I think it's a false assumption that we have too much data.
Mm,
Marshall talk about GPM, the gap that GPM was trying to solve, which we are sort of taking the torch and moving forward with it, is one of perhaps the biggest gap we still have in atmospheric measurements. We have maybe 10% of the globe with reasonable precipitation measurements, precipitation being one of the most important weather parameters ever. That cannot be solved from the ground because we can't deploy, thousands of more radars. It's an 8 years old technology. It's kind of where it's gonna get. But it also cannot be solved with billion-dollar satellites because you need a lot of them. And if they're costing $1 billion, that can't scale. So
right.
what we're doing is we're taking science that NASA proved, and that's another really great example of government and private sector sort of collaborating. The science of measuring precipitation from space was proven by NASA decades ago.